Ito na po. Starting harvesting a dragon fruits.
Dragon fruit, yeah. Look, it's big, eh?
About 600 grams.
Yeah. This one is big.
White.
Vietnam white, yes.
Grabe laki.
Huge.
Huge
Laki,
dragon
ano?
fruit. Alin mo doon. Sana. Timba.
Kunin natin. Kunin mo. Mapupuno yan.
Pupuno to.
Ay. Ay. Now, that's the problem.
Mas behind there.
Ayun, no? Laki. Look. Paigam yung ganun, paigam. Yan, ganyan. Oh. Laki, no?
600 grams.
Yes. Then, we still have one more here. Here. And then we have a branch with 3 fruits. No?
Join one tree only.
On one branch.
Katin mo yung buo.
Yeah.
Wow!
Look at that.
Massive dragon fruits.
Yeah.
Ganun mo lang para mapuno yung timba.
See now. 3 fruits
Oh, extend laki oh.
in one branch. Not bad, eh?
Oh, the same sizes. Wala na dyan, wala na.
No more.
Puno na.
Yeah, the bucket is full.
Paano yung yellow nandoon?
Ay, akitin natin.
I-post ko muna.
Oh, okay.